everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. It's another cooking episode. Ang lulutuin po natin ay shabu-shabu, Korean inspired. But this is my version and I call this what's in my fridge shabu-shabu. Kasi kung ano lang nasa laman ng fridge namin, yun lang po yung lulutuin ko or gagawin kong ingredients sa dish na ito. So, may kinapi ako na recipe from YouTube, pero hindi lahat ng ingredients ay meron ako, kaya ang ginawa ko lang is substitution. Kung ano ang pwede kong ma-substitute sa mga ingredients na wala ako, is yun na lang ang gagamitin ko. So, if you want to know how I cook this recipe, then keep on watching. And for the ingredients, I will be using seafoods. I have here crab sticks and frozen seafoods like squid, shrimps, and mussels. So they're all in one bag except for the crab sticks. And for the meat, I will be using this smoked bacon and this Polish sausage they called cabanos, and this ham. They're all cooked. And for the vegetables, I have here mushrooms, cabbage, carrots, and spring onions. And for the noodles, I'm going to use this egg noodles. We will also need beef broth, so I'll be using this one. So first is to boil some water. I'm going to use just 2 of this beef stock. If you want, you can also use the beef cubes. Just stir it and allow it to boil. It's time to add the seafoods. Allow it to boil for a few minutes. Then once it's boiling, you may add the other ingredients. I'm adding the meat right now. And after that, we'll add the vegetables. Let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. And it's boiling now. We may lower the heat. And it's time to dish out this shabu-shabu. homemade shabu-shabu. And here is our finished product, our what's in my fridge shabu-shabu. It really looks good, it smells good, and definitely it tastes good. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.